How's it going, everyone? It's AJ with Agency Power, and if you're not familiar with me yet, that means that you haven't seen this video or this video. Take a quick second, go to the channel below and check out those videos, but for now, we're gonna be talking about the Agency Power blow-off valve kit for the RZR XP Turbo. Let's waste no time. Let's get into these boxes right here. One of the weakest links of the Polaris RZR is actually the blow-off valve, or better known as the diverter valve. Now, for some reason, Polaris thought it was a good idea to make this diverter valve out of a cheap plastic. The main issue with a plastic diverter valve is over time, it'll actually start to melt or warp. Now, when that happens, that results in a boost leak. And a boost leak is going to rob you of horsepower and essentially renders your turbo useless. The boost pressure that your turbo is making is not doing anything for your engine. It's actually being released to atmosphere and not going back into the engine through the intake. The purpose of a diverter or a blow-off valve is to release excess boost pressure that's built up by your turbo. Without this valve, the extra boost pressure surges back through your turbo and can be identified by a flutter sound. While it does sound really cool, I mean, who doesn't love the sound of? It can actually decrease the life expectancy of your turbo due to additional stress to the bearings inside. Upgrading the blow-off valve is commonly overlooked, which can cause other issues to arise if you plan to or already have engine modifications done on your machine. The Agency Power blow-off valve kit solves these issues thanks to the CNC machined 6061 aluminum construction and the adjustable pressure release settings. To achieve a tighter pressure release, you can rotate the top of the blow-off valve clockwise or counterclockwise for a loose release. This will allow you to fine-tune your desired pressure release and spring rate at the same time. The Agency Power blow-off valve kit is compatible with your factory inlet tube or any aftermarket tube that utilizes a 1-inch blow-off valve flange. The RZR engine bay is notorious for excessive heat, and that's no match for the Agency Power blow-off valve kit because the aluminum construction can withstand 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Your RZR engine bay is only getting up to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Even at that temperature, your factory blow-off valve is still going to melt. If your engine bay temperature is a little too hot, you can also check out our Agency Power vented engine cover for your RZR, and I'll link it down in the description below so you can check that out as well. We always recommend priming the valve before installation. After maybe a month or two of sitting on the shelf, they can stick because of the grease. So we always recommend manually compressing the valve inside before you throw it on your machine, just so that way you don't have any issues. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or email sales@agencypower.com, and we would be happy to help you out with any comments or concerns that you have about the blow-off valve kit or any other products in general. If you'd like to purchase an Agency Power blow-off valve kit, I'll link it down in the description below, so be sure, check it out, go get yourself one. This is a must-have for your machine. You want to make sure that your boost pressure is being released efficiently and not melting after a few runs. Let's be honest. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week's video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Press the like button and hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss any of our new videos. If you're not following us on social media, those will be linked down in the description below as well, so be sure to check those out. You'll get exclusive previews on new products and stock updates. Take it easy guys, have a good one. Peace.